Today was another bitterly red day in crypto, a day which always tests the weak hands, a day which makes many people question themselves and their logic in investing in crypto in the first place. And yet, these kinds of drastic market moves are a simple fact of life in Bitcoin and crypto investing. So how can you learn to ride the storm, but like a boss? Well, perhaps the ancient Greek philosophy of Stoicism may hold a few lessons for us to help you not just become a better crypto investor, but really better at life in general. Well, what is Stoicism? Very briefly defined as the endurance of pain and hardship without the display of feelings and without complaint. Investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is certainly filled with pain and hardship. Not so sure everyone always succeeds on the second half, though. If you look around social media, and if the panic on social media is anything to go by. Anyway, let's discuss some of the ideas behind Stoicism and examine some of the lessons of this philosophy and how it can help you on your journey in crypto investing. So let's start off with remaining calm under pressure. This one is so important in crypto. I mean, FUD happens all of the time. Remaining calm when China banned Bitcoin and not selling in spite of the massive FUD washing over crypto land at the time was, of course, the right action. In hindsight, some people sold. The wise people bought the dip. And within 3 or 4 months of that event, Bitcoin pulled a 10x, moving up to $20,000. The reality is that while we do not have control of the events around us all of the time, what we do have control over is how we react to those events. Look, in crypto, whales are going to manipulate the markets up, they're going to manipulate the markets down. Wall Street wants to tame Bitcoin. Regulators talk about bans or terribly draconian regulations. You have got to remain calm. Do not panic. Mistakes happen in times of extreme emotional stress. And this is a twofold thing, actually. Greed is equally as dangerous as fear when it comes to investing. Always keep a cool head, which leads to the next point of self-control. And honestly, so much of this comes down to having a damn plan. Plan your entries, plan your exits, plan your buys, and stick to the plan, man. The amount of crypto investors who have no plan at all and just buy and hope for the best, it boggles my mind. What's your 5-year plan for Bitcoin? And if you can't answer that basic question, then get back to basics, think about it, get a plan, and plan out your investing journey. Stoicism also tells us to deal with the world as it is, not as we want it to be. Sometimes Bitcoin is going to be dominating the market. You have to accept that fact and act accordingly. Sometimes IEOs will be booming. Get on the train if you dare and accept when that train gets to its final destination and then get off the train, guys. Don't keep repeating the same mistakes over and over and over, hoping that things will be different. Accept reality and accept the fact that times and trends change. The next idea is courage. The crypto markets, oh man, they sure do test you on this one, don't they? There are daily challenges in investing, and success requires clarity of mind. So many people will lament not having bought Bitcoin cheap when the price is booming, and then they lack the courage to buy the dip, the very thing they wanted a few months ago. They will lack the courage to make investments into those fundamentally sound, low-cap cryptos. They will also lack the courage to make trades based on logical reasoning, and they will lack the courage to use many of the wealth building tools available in the crypto economy. Look, risk is everywhere, and everyone experiences some levels of fear, but you must have the courage to see clearly and then to act accordingly. Fortune favors the bold. Another great one is really to ignore what other people are doing. No, seriously, our time is so limited on Earth. Stop caring about the opinions that other people have about you and your investments. If you believe in your investment, then who cares what the fudders have to say, and you're just wasting your time fighting with them online. And certainly Certainly do not fall into the trap of being envious of other people. That's a real poison to chalice. If someone made a good trade and made money, give them a thumbs up, man. Be happy for that person. Be happy when other people succeed. And take gratitude for the blessings that you already have in your life. You're not worried about what other people are doing. Next, never complain, but take action. Seriously, quit complaining. Nobody cares. Are you pissed off that you bought the top? Are you pissed off that you sold the bottom? Are you pissed off that you held your altcoin to all-time lows down from its all-time highs? Are you pissed off that you went all in 100x and lost everything on a margin trade? Are you pissed off that you missed a big pump? You know what? Nobody freaking cares. The only thing that you can do is to take these lessons and then action. Then take action informed by those lessons in the future or now. Now is not a bad time either. Learn the market trends. Learn to cut losses on altcoins. Learn to use leverage like the big boys use leverage. 3x on 2% of your portfolio. Don't be a degenerate gambler. And remember, there are always opportunities in the market. That's such an important take home for you. And a few pieces of, I guess, life advice from Stoicism. If you have made bucket loads of money trading or investing, and I know that some of you are doing that, then please help the common good. It is an honorable and purposeful life to help those less fortunate. If you are making good money in crypto, then please consider donating to your local charities. They always need help, and the need is always urgent. So your money will help kids or endangered animals today. Those kids or animals, they can't wait 2 or 3 years before crypto moons again. Plus, of course, you get the sweet bonus of most countries have a tax deduction for charitable giving, so you can keep that in mind too. And on a much simpler level, share your knowledge, share your resources. Take that time to help someone set up a Bitcoin wallet or to buy their first Bitcoin. That knowledge goes a long way. It might seem easy to you, but it's still a mystery to other people. And then once you have donated your time or money, move on. Don't expect praise. You did it because it was the right thing to do, not because you're looking for accolades. Please realize that happiness comes from within, and chances are, if you are here listening to this video, then you have got enough wealth to afford electricity. Congratulations. You have enough wealth to afford a computer. Wow, the privilege. And to be able to invest in Bitcoin, I mean, you probably have some spare money and are not living in a desperate paycheck-to-paycheck survival situation. Congratulations. How incredibly blessed are you? And I hope that you're grateful for it. And remember always that you are stronger than you think. You possess the ability to do amazing things. You possess the keys to your own version of success. You have to learn, you have to plan, you have to focus your mind, and then you have to take action. Success awaits those who can do this and who have the patience and the diligence to actually see this through. So the question to you, are you a Bitcoin Stoic? Hit me up down below in the comment section. I'd love to know your thoughts on the philosophy of Stoicism. What's its place in the crypto land? As always, you guys totally frickin' rock. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on that bell to know when I put out a new video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.